This park is my favorite place to run. It's so big, it's huge ass, it's super green, and it doesn't even have like too many people. And it's raining right now, and it is so cool to run in this rainfall. It's drizzling right now, but I can predict it will rain more. And running in the rain is an amazing experience, highly addictive. And as predicted, my prediction came true in 30 seconds, literally. Most runners have stopped running. I think everybody wants to enjoy the rain. Look at that bird taking rest under the tree as it rains. Isn't it beautiful? But I ain't stopping because I love to run in the rain. It's my favorite. I wait for it. Woohoo! See you later. Bye.